Everyone on this planet has one thing in common, 24 hours. Not 1 second more. Not 1 minute less. So tell me, why does one person use those 24 hours to build an empire, while another uses them to scroll through their phone and complain about life? It's not about time. It's about how you manage it. If you can master your 24 hours, you can master your destiny. 1, the truth about time. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. You're not busy, you're unfocused. Everyone says, I don't have time. No, you do. You just spend it on things that don't matter. Look at successful people, entrepreneurs, athletes, creators. They don't waste their hours chasing comfort. They design their day around purpose because they understand one simple truth. If you don't plan your day, someone else will plan it for you. Time is not something you find, it's something you create. And the way you spend your hours today is the reflection of what your life will look like tomorrow. Rule has some control your mornings. How you start your day decide how you finish it. Most people wake up and give the first hour of their day to the world, checking messages, notifications, and gossip. But winners, they give that first hour to themselves. They plan, they read, they think, they prepare. That's why their mornings are full of clarity while others are full of chaos. If you control your mornings, you control your mind. And if you control your mind, you control your life. So when you wake up tomorrow, don't just open your phone, open your purpose. Rule has to guard your hours like gold. Every distraction steals a piece of your dream. You might think few minutes don't matter, but a few minutes every hour becomes a few hours every day. And suddenly, a whole year is gone with nothing to show. Learn to say no, not out of arrogance, but out of focus. Every yes you give to a distraction is a no to your goal. Jack Ma once said, the biggest failure is giving up your time for things that don't make you better. So stop spending your hours. Start investing them. Rule #3, prioritize growth, not comfort. Success is not built in comfort. It's built in consistency. You don't need to work 20 hours a day. You need to make every hour count. Replace 1 hour of entertainment with 1 hour of education. Replace gossip with goals. Replace comfort with challenge. Because every time you choose growth over comfort, you rise 1 level higher. Time doesn't respect talkers. It rewards doers. And if you can use even 2 hours a day for something that grows your future, you'll be unrecognizable in a year. Rule #4, reflect and reset daily. You can't manage your 24 hours if you don't review them. Before you sleep, ask yourself, did I move closer to my dream today? What did I waste time on? What will I do better tomorrow? That's how champions think. That's how legends are built. Every day is a test, and the result shows in your reflection. Time is life. Every hour you waste is a piece of your life you never get back. So choose wisely, because the same 24 hours you have today is the same 24 hours used by the world's greatest achievers. They're not smarter, they're not luckier. They're just more intentional. The clock is ticking. Your dream is waiting. Use your 24 hours before they use you. Next, mind upgrade your thinking.